as y'all seen, we did the testing. So we got his battery going. We tested the battery, got it charged, working. Now I did the actual OBD2 test with my battery tester, and it said that he had excessive ripple in his alternator, which is a problem with the alternator. I'm hoping that this is a fit because the old one don't have this part, and this is how it look with it off, but I don't think all these, you know, electrical parts should be exposed. This is the old one right here. Like, that's a size 10 to take that electrical line off, and this is gonna be a size 14. Now the tensioner, like the tensioner is what holds the serpentine belt on. Some tensioners are like alone, but the tensioner is within the alternator. You see how it can slide forward or backwards? That's where your tensioner is at. Man, I caught myself laying on this damn concrete, you know, to get that bolt underneath. I say, hell no. Let me get my goddamn sliding board so I can lay my head down and struggle with this damn 14mm bolt underneath. I'm gonna show y'all. Come on with me. See, I already had my ratchet. Hold up. I already got my ratchet on there, but I need leverage. A sister definitely need leverage to break this damn bolt. So now I think I got a stronger socket and wrench. So this is like a 14mm. You're gonna need a 14mm socket and a 14mm wrench to break this damn bolt underneath here. You ain't got a lot of room to do it, but when do you ever have enough room on these damn engines to break shit loose? And that's why mechanics busting up. Now sometimes, just like it happened to me the other day, if you get stuck to where you have to get towed, you have to know where your hooks. The hooks help the wrecker person to be able to pull you out of whatever you're in. Most of the time on these Freightliners, Cascadia, I'm gonna show you the location of the hook. Most of the time, if nobody moved it, you know where your hooks are. 1, 2. And usually when they have to hook it, the hooks go right here. They hook it right here. And when they connect it right there, they hook their chains or their straps, and that's how a wrecker usually tow or pull a big rig out of stuff. Hey y'all, Laney, like, if you don't get up and take me for a walk, I promise you ain't gonna like it. And wipe my face while you're at it, owner. I just want to lose some weight. And mama, that's your job to walk me. So you know what? All right, Laney, we gonna go for a walk, okay? Okay, babe. I know, don't look away. Laney, I'm gonna take you for a walk. I'ma do it. So you ready? Okay. I assume that she's ready. She's ready to take a walk. So, are you ready? Okay, I guess that's the readiest she gonna be. All right, we gotta go take our walk. Time to go take our walk while sister wait for the green light again. They about to put it on red, and I gotta get the green. So let me let her do what she gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Oh, she got a little friend. Look at the little doggy in the other truck. That's so cute. Oh, they got little friends together. Hey, little doggies. Gotta have yourself a little companion out here, because it does get lonely. So you do what you can. Yeah, but I am currently filling up. That pump just a running. Now time to get something to eat. I'll be glad when this dumb fuck right here move. I hate when people hold up the damn aisle. I mean, goddamn, I really hate it, man. Get him, Laney. Get him. You gonna get him for me? Huh? Okay. All right. Got my veggie subs. I ain't got no meat on this thing. Nothing but vegetables and wheat flatbread and lemonade. Gonna be script diddly yumptious, baby. Script diddly yumptious. I hope y'all having a good day today. I'm gonna get to where I gotta go. All right, y'all. Have a lovely day. Deuces.